If you think healthy couples don't fight, that's not true. They fight. The difference? They know how to repair. And repair is not the same thing as resolving the issue. If you're new here, I'm Margarita Kogan, a licensed couples therapist, and in this video, I'm going to show you what repair actually looks like in real relationships and why most couples misunderstand it and why repair, not resolution, is the strongest predictor of long-term stability. When couples hear the word repair, they think, I'm sorry, let's fix it, let's solve the problem. That's not repair. Repair is de-escalating the nervous system. It's turning back towards each other and reestablishing emotional safety. According to decades of research from the Gottman Institute, successful couples aren't the ones who avoid conflict. They're the ones who make and receive repair attempts. Repair can look like, hey, can we pause? Maybe a small smile, a hand on the knee, saying, that came out wrong, or I'm feeling flooded. It's not grand, it's relational regulation. This is where couples get stuck. Resolution equals solving the issue. Repair equals stabilizing the connection. You can resolve a fight and still feel disconnected. But if you repair well, you can disagree and still feel connected. In fact, many perpetual conflicts never fully resolve. What predicts long-term stability isn't whether you solve everything. It's whether you stay emotionally connected while disagreeing. That's a massive distinction. Research shows couples who notice repair attempts, accept those repair attempts, and make repair attempts are dramatically more likely to stay together. Why? Because repair prevents emotional disengagement. The real danger in relationships isn't conflict. It's repeated fail repair attempts. When repair attempts are ignored or rejected, resentment builds, distance grows, and safety erodes. Healthy couples don't avoid rupture, they just shorten it. So if you've been thinking, we keep apologizing, but nothing changes, it might not be your apology. It might be your repair timing or repair recognition. This is one of the key patterns we assess in couples. Not just whether you guys fight, it's a good thing if you do, but whether repair is happening, landing, and being received. Because that tells us far more about your relationship stability than the topic of the fight. If you want clarity instead of guessing, that's where an assessment matters. Watch my next video, why you keep repeating the same fight even after you have good talks, and take your relationship assessment below.